Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the "Sorry, you have been blocked" error that may appear when trying to access certain websites. This issue is often related to security, filters, browser settings, or network restrictions. There are several ways to resolve it. First, we can clear our browsing history and cache by pressing Ctrl+H. Then, we click on Delete Browsing Data. Next, we delete cached images, files, cookies, and other site data to refresh our browser. Another option is to check our extensions. We can click on the extensions icon in the upper right part of our browser and manage our extensions. Here, we disable any extensions we are no longer using. This can help free up space and prevent conflicts with our browser. We can also open a private or incognito window in our browser and try accessing the website from there. If the issue continues, we can restart our modem and browser. Sometimes, restarting can help improve the connection and resolve the block. If we have a VPN, we can turn it on and try accessing the website again. Sometimes, the block is based on our region, and a VPN can help get around that. By following these steps, we can fix the "Sorry, you have been blocked" error quickly and easily. With these simple adjustments, we should be able to access the website without any issues.